Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger chat theme not showing problem or Messenger chat theme not working problem. If you face Messenger chat theme not showing or not working problem, it usually apps problem, outdated software or accounts related settings. Let's see how to fix Messenger chat theme not showing problem or not working problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Check Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Again open your Messenger application. Click any friends. Click on menu icon. Again click on theme. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger chat theme not showing problem or Messenger chat theme not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.